Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic of this session is types of quadrilaterals. So in this session we will discuss what are the various types of the quadrilaterals and some of their properties also. So let's start the session. So what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is your figure with four sides, okay? Four sides figure. Okay, so particularly it is a figure, geometrical figure with four sides. Okay, so further we divide the quadrilaterals into three segments. Trapezium. Here the opposite sides are parallel. One of the opposite sides are parallel. Some specific conditions are also marked here. Parallelogram. Here opposite two sides are equal and parallel, and the kite, the last one is this. The third one is your kite, in which adjacent sides are equal. So these are the further categorization of your quadrilateral. So let's write this. In trapezium, what is this? A trapezium has one pair of opposite sides. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, this one pair of opposite sides are parallel. And in parallelogram, two pairs. Two pairs of opposite sides are equal and parallel. And in the last case, adjacent sides are equal. So this is your quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals can be trapezium also, parallelogram also, and kite also. If they say you quadrilateral, you can draw any of these figures, either trapezium, parallelogram. If it is not mentioned there, okay, it is not mentioned there. But if it's strictly mentioned parallelogram, then you have to draw parallelogram. Now, how do they look like? Say trapezium means one opposite sides are parallel and the other sides are non-parallel. This opposite sides A, B, C, D. I have taken this parallel to this. In parallelogram, this is my opposite sides. This is your parallelogram. A, B, C, D. In this is equal and parallel. This is equal and parallel. And in this case, the last case is your adjacent sides are equal. This is like a kite. Okay, means all the sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. This is your kite shape. Okay, now further we will categorize our parallelogram into different figures. So now parallelogram will be categorized into different figures. So parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Okay. So parallelogram, we know all the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So further, if I say this is your opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is like this, na? Equal and parallel. So from parallelogram, if I say opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. Opposite sides are equal. This is equal to this is equal to this, and each angle is 90 degrees. So this is further my rectangle. Okay, opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. In square, all the sides are equal. So a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal, all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. All sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. And in case of rhombus, all the sides are equal. Okay, in this, all the sides are equal. So parallelogram, from parallelogram, if you draw all the sides are equal, all these sides are equal and it is called your rhombus. So this is the further classification of parallelogram. From parallelogram we can derive all this. So let's revise this. So first of all, your first thing is a quadrilateral. From quadrilateral we derived three things: trapezium, parallelogram, the last one is your kite. And further from parallelogram we derived our three figures. They are rectangle, square, rectangle, square, and the last is your rhombus. So this is the further classification of a quadrilateral. So this is how you have to remember this. Okay. So I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.